Iz Italije, partnerska organizacija projekta Šest. Predstavila se bo pa kar sama zaradi tega, ker prvotno napisana je zamenjena.
Everyone, my name is Alice Venini and I work at Centre Project Center in the International Project Department as European Project Manager. In this project, Centoform gives its contribution to develop the joint curriculum and qualification among three countries, Croatia, Slovenia, and Italy, for the professional figure of building automation expert by adapting the already existing curriculum in our ITS in Ferrara. ITS is the Italian acronym for Post-Diploma Technical School Tertiary Non-Academic Education. After the finalization of the joint curriculum, we will validate and test it on a sample of teachers, trainers, and experts. Unfortunately, I can't be physically present at the conference as you see today because I have other important activities to carry out here in Italy. Therefore, in the following commented slides, I give you an overview on ITS Foundation and on our course of Superior Technician for Sustainability and Energy Efficiency of Buildings. For us in Italy, the ITS is a very important supply chain to match job offer and demand. After that, I'll explain how we have developed the expert in building automation joint curriculum in line with our existing ITS curriculum. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy the conference. Bye bye.